Our user's journey to FLN proficiency begins here. We have a simple sign-up process for the parent or guardian. After the sign-up, the parent onboards a child in a seamless 3-step process. Once the child is on board, they can access their dashboard and start learning either through a predefined age-based learning path or through autonomous skill selection. On the autonomous skill selection, a list of available skills is displayed, where the learner can select a skill to attempt. The performance of the learner is measured using a competency score. This is an embedded scoring algorithm that tests a learner's mastery of every specific concept based on the difficulty level of the question and the learner's consistency. For every skill mastered, the learner earns learning points. The alternative approach is through a predefined age-based path. Once on this path, the system launches a skill for the learner to attempt. If the student is not successful, the system recommends further learning through available interventions like animated video lessons or summarized notes. In this instance, the user gets the recommendation to watch a video of the skill. After the lesson, the learner can take another attempt on the skill. The students learn through various interactive modes like drag and drop, selection, input, audio, gamified interactions, and imagery. The learners are able to utilize the points they have gained through the learning process to unlock the zoo game, which is an immersive and fun learning experience. The learning points unlock new animals, feed them, water them, and clean their enclosures. The game is intended to train them on responsibility, urgency, care, and learning consistency. The parent or teacher can track the learner's progress through the analytics dashboard, where the learning progress is analyzed and reported. The data can also be used to compare performance differences among students. Our model is hinged on ensuring a learner improves proficiency at the most basic level of learning, which is skill mastery. The competency attainment process integrated in our tool adapts to a learner's strengths and weaknesses to ensure an optimal learning experience that leads to an improved skill proficiency. The outcome is a learner attaining a competency score of at least 90% in every skill they attempt on the tool. The gains of an individual learner replicated among 150,000 learners by 2027 will contribute to improvement of the 11% literacy and numeracy proficiency rates in sub-Saharan Africa.